For the past 7 days, I let artificial intelligence take over my daily routine. That means AI chose what I ate, how I tracked my habits, how I budgeted, and even how I managed stress. Some parts worked surprisingly well. Others, not so much. The goal was simple. Could AI actually make my life better, not just easier? I picked 5 areas of daily life and handed the controls over to AI-powered tools. This is what happened and what I'd actually keep using. First up, food. I used ChatGPT and a free meal planning app to generate my meals for the week. I told it my health goals, budget, and time constraints. It gave me 21 meals. Most of them were realistic. Some were ambitious. By day 3, I had eaten more lentils than I thought was legal in one country. But here's the thing, decision fatigue disappeared. I didn't waste time asking what's for dinner, and I definitely ate healthier than usual. Next, habits. I built a Notion dashboard and connected it to an AI assistant. Every morning, it reminded me what I was tracking. Every evening, it gave feedback. It even adjusted goals midweek when I started missing targets. This was surprisingly motivating. I didn't have to open 5 apps or overthink anything. Just check in, reflect, done. If you've seen my earlier videos, where we reviewed the best beginner-friendly AI finance tools and then built an actual finance dashboard in Notion, this part won't surprise you. But this week was the real test. Could I stick with it? I used the Notion dashboard I built in video 2 to log daily expenses and ran summaries through ChatGPT to make sense of the trends. The AI flagged patterns, like my unspoken loyalty to overpriced coffee. It also helped project my month-end savings and suggested where to trim or redirect my spending. The best part? No budgeting burnout. Just small nudges and one clear view of where my money was going. Honestly, this is now part of my daily routine. Here's where it got weird and useful. I tested 2 AI mental wellness tools, one chatbot style and one journaling assistant. Every night, I spent 5 to 10 minutes answering questions like, what drained your energy today? Or what are you grateful for? Honestly, it helped me notice small things I was ignoring. Was it deep therapy? No. But was it better than doom scrolling myself to sleep? Absolutely. Last one, productivity. I used an AI assistant to help me prioritize and plan my tasks. It looked at my calendar, suggested focus blocks, and even scheduled breaks. Some of it felt like micromanagement, but on days I followed it closely, I got more done with less mental clutter. So here's what actually stuck. Meal planning, 100% keeping that. Habit tracking with AI, super useful. Budgeting, a daily check-in made a difference. I'd skip the AI time manager for now and keep AI journaling only a few nights a week. AI didn't magically solve my life, but it did make the boring parts easier. Less decision fatigue, less clutter, more mental space for stuff that actually matters. And that's kind of the point. So far, we've used AI to plan meals, track habits, and take control of our budget. But can it actually build wealth for us too? In the next video, I'm letting ChatGPT manage my investment portfolio for 5 days, giving it full control over strategy, rebalancing, and even emotional decision-making. Subscribe if you want to see if AI beats my instincts or bankrupts me before Friday.